What did you think about it?
It's really good, actually.
Judo? They go crazy?
Great wrestling.
Yeah, really.
This is gonna take so long to eat. 1 second. Ooh! Yeah, that took a while. Cheesecake! I want cheesecake. Cheesecake Factory.
No, I know that.
I've never been there.
You had to buy an entree or something.
No, not with
Please.
this card. That was with the other card.
Never mind. No cheesecake. Alright, guys, I haven't really started the intro. It's just a random vlog today. We're gonna get cheesecake on the way out. You guys think this is cool? That's kind of. Yes. Look at this. Look at that paperweight hat. Give me. Oh, like your hat, bro. Fancy. Which one? If you're wondering why I'm wearing this on my soccer gear, actually had a soccer game. We lost like 7-1, but man, it was fun. So yeah, it's all that matters, right? That's me. I'm famous on YouTube. There it is on the big screen. Let me get to the big screen. Look at this. It's not even a mouse. You just scooch this around. Oh, shoot. Oh, look how big that is. Look what I found. Paperboy hat. I love this hat. Let's go to the Cheesecake Factory. Here we are. We are getting that one and that one. I'm so excited. I want to eat this. Moment of truth. Is it good?
What did you say, Boy?
I'm making a video.
Oh.
Dang it. Okay.
Want to try this flavor, Bowie?
Here's the next flavor. Wow, they're good. You guys gotta go there. Here you go. It was prettier just a minute ago. It's so good. It might not look that good on camera, but it is so good. It was good. I'm just, man, I'm stuffed. I couldn't eat all of it. There's still a good bit left. Follow my Instagram at Botron1 and musically Botronicals. This is the end of the video. Thank you for joining my ride to the Cheesecake Factory. It was good. I recommend it. And I'll see